wanted to show off my brand new baby that I got on the platform. Super excited, and I'm gonna go over this. But first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Selena, and I'm a part-time day trader. I'm a mom and a wife first before anything else. As you can tell, I'm always wearing my children's school spirit, depending on the season, depending on what sports they're playing. But I am a mom and a wife first before anything else. But day trading really helps me to pay for a lot of those things. My kids get to do a lot of private lessons, a lot of private school situations, and everything adds up and costs money. There's another baby of mine. Okay, let's go over my other baby, which I got with Alpha Futures. So if you on their website right here, you get to see all of the receipts that they have to show it to you, how much they paid, all the reviews and all that. Okay, but what I'm gonna stop and get your attention is right here. So what would you like to choose when it comes to the accounts? They have the zero accounts, which you can use my code, as you can see there, to get the best discount what they offer right now. So you have your zero accounts, right? So what is the profit target? Everything is spelled it out for you. And like, let's say with 50 accounts, you have profit target 3,000. And how many days you have to trade? You can trade just one day. You can pass that in one day, not a problem. How many contracts you have? Based on your account, it's 50 account, you have 3 contracts, and maximum drawdown is 2,000. But they do put a little bit of protection for you. So let's say you're going on tilt and you lost $1,000. Okay, you're gonna lock you out and you're gonna reset and you have a chance to redo this tomorrow and not lose the account. I really, really like this one. Let's go over to advance. So how would advance work, right? So you have how many trading days? You need 3 trading days. Profit target is 4,000. Maximum drawdown is 1,750. Daily loss goal and consistency rule is 40%. And those are your prices. It's real trading. It's not like full pour this and let's pass this account and all that. It's for serious traders that want to build up your own personal capital. So you get to see more rules about it and however you want to go about that. But the baby that I want to show off is direct. What that means. So I have the 25K direct qualify, which I will show it to you in a second. So let's read more about the 25K because it is my baby. That being said, direct qualify. So this is the price, and with my code, you can get the best discount that they have to offer right now. So what is my profit target for payout? First of all, let's go back to zero, minimum trading days. Okay. Does direct have one that? No. What that means, I'm already funded. Yeah, I spent a little bit of money, but that being said, I didn't have to pass and pass and pass and fail. So sometimes I wonder, is it really cheaper to get the ones that you have to get funded? Or is it just like, okay, let me just be funded already and move on with my day? Preferences, not telling you what to do. Everybody prefers their own thing. So my new baby is this one. And it's like putting $1,500 in your own personal account and trading your own money. So let's read the rules. So profit target for payout. So I have to reach 1,500 first. It's very common. It's the standard in the industry. You have to reach the 1,500 for the 25K account. And after you get your payout, then you have to keep $1,000 after that. So the first one, yes. So maximum contracts is 2, right? So at the end of the drawdown, at the end of the day is 1,000. And daily loss limit. What that means, if I go on tilt and I lose $500, it will lock me out and I can come back the next day, meaning that I still have $500 drawdown to recover the 500 from yesterday and hopefully make over so I can reset. If I lost $500, most likely had a bad day. So with this account, I have to manage the risk really, really tight. And I will show you, I already took some trades today and I will show you exactly what I did. And my payout cap is $1,000, which is really good, right? Who would not like to get $1,000, even if it is twice a month, right? Imagine if you eventually stack more accounts, even if it's once a month, there's no reason to rush. There's no scaling plan. So this, to me, that baby that I got, it's as close as it will be trading your personal money. It's someone that does trade her own personal money by personal capital. I maybe understand this a little bit more. That being said, like I manage my risk a little bit tighter because I know what it means to trade my personal account. So instead of putting my personal capital for this price, I get to have access to all this. No further ado, let's go over to the platform. So once you log into your account, you will be able to see what did you do, what trades you took, and it's everything spelled out to me. You won't have too much data because like I told you, I just got it and I only traded once. So trade history, let's go see my trade history. Let's see what I do today. You get to see the date. You get to see if I went long and short. You get to see what symbol I traded. You get to see how many contracts. And anytime you're going to see me trading more than one contract, that means I added to my winning position. Right? There's nothing wrong for me to add because like right here, like I took $11 because I was with one and I trail my stop pretty tight because of the drawdown that I have. I understand the risk that I'm taking. I'd rather take $11 and nothing to show off than me risking $250 or $400 close to my drawdown. And I'm happier with the small green. And yes, I may not let my trades breathe enough, but this has been my trading and this has been my success to my trading. If one micro, I could make $51 and I'm really excited about that. So this is all the trades that I took today. And you can see they are scalping trades because the time of the duration, this was 1 minute. So this one see pretty quick because I do reversal trading. So sometimes my trades are really quick because the reversal is not ready yet. So I do like, yes, it's $11, but more like a break even situation. See, this one is in almost 2 minutes. This was really quick, right? It pulled back. I was like, I'm not waiting. I'm good. I'm taking my profit. See, I'm pretty quick. Look at this. In a minute and a half, I made $103. This is where you see a lot of my style trading that I trade very small, not a lot of trades. And let's see my other data, account stats. All right, this is the second thing I wanted to show you. Again, I just got it. It will show you 6 trades, but it was really 3 trades because I average it into my trades. Yes, it's not a lot of data. Like I said, I just got this. This was my today results, and it will show you. So you can have a visual right here, or you could go through your trade history and really analyze. I always collect data. I love to see how long I lasted it, how long it took me to make that money. Was it a good decision? Did I tighten up my stop too close? All kinds of data, it's going through my head. And so when you launch the Alpha Trader, which is the platform, we're going to launch this right now. And I will show the platform where here shows it as a qualified trade. My arrows are here not anymore because I logged in. So I took like a short, like from here to here, and it paid me enough to go. So if the opportunity presents itself, I will take a trade during the video. If not, we don't want to risk it. I'm already green. So a couple of things I really like about this platform. You can have it right here right away. And make sure you are, and this is that you want to trade. So I trade MNQ, which stands for micro on NASDAQ, because one, like you saw, so it was around 800 to take a short, and look, it would have been already 100 points. That's a good payday. Also, you could do right over here right away, so market orders. Or the way that I do, I just don't want to get filled while I'm showing this. I will show you, like, let's see right over here. So I press it right here and let's say I want to buy it, or if I want to sell it, stop, right? So buy or stop, or sell, stop. So if I want to buy it, you just have to be careful. So sometimes when I go here by accident, I have done this. All right, this is just a little thing. So like, let's say I go by and I'm not paying as much attention, by accident, I put the sell. Can you see that? So be mindful of that if you do the way I'm doing. So let's say you do a buy and you want to go buy, double check as a buy, and then double check. So 841, which right now is around 700. We're not going to get filled the next couple of seconds while I'm showing you this. All right, see that? That's it. So you got confirmation on top and all that. If you want to move it around.
Order modified.
Can you hear that? Okay. So if I want to keep catching my trades.
Order modified.
There you go. If you want to turn that off, let me show you how to turn the sounds off too. Let's get it out. See? Also, a really good thing to do, flatten all, just in case, and you get notifications that you don't have any trades. Okay, so now to turn it off, the voice, you go to settings. All you do, there you go. If you want to hear it, you can change it. You can add right here your copy trading if you have more accounts. You can add your risk settings right away and all the privacy things that none of us read. So let's go back to the charts. Okay, there you go. It's if you ever traded on TradingView, it is very similar. You can have all your tools right over here. You can have all your Fibonacci retracements. Let me move this. This is movable. So let's say you want to do Fibonacci retracement. Let's say the market went up, bounced back from all the downside. Yeah, can you see that? So you can do all that. So if you're ever familiar, you see why I took this shorter right here, because yeah, many ways to trade. This is not a trading video. It's just to show you how you can possibly use the tool. And let's say, okay, I want to see this or I don't want to see it. Let's remove it. Let's remove it. Okay, you can change the time frames. I know I'm crazy. I trade on this crazy 30 seconds, but you can have all your options. So let's see how this chart looks in 5 minutes. Oh, you get to see my trades. Perfect. What did I say? I did say I had 3 trades. Didn't I say that? I wasn't lying. So I had 3 trades, even though it showed 6 because I was averaging in. So this one was a long and those were 2 were a short. Can you see that? And the reason I get out of the short and kind of on the bottom is because, you know, we retraced it and went back up. Of course, now it's going my way, but I'm not willing to risk it. That's why I have my stops pretty tight in case he wants to continue. Okay. So another thing is about this, when you do place your trade, you can trail your stops, but you have to confirm them. So let's do one sell. You guys ready? Okay, I'll take a trade. Sell. So now what we need to do, we need to add our stop loss. You see this pop it up, but I don't have the confirm yet. I have to do my take profit. And now I get to confirm how much I'm risking, how much I want to take profit at. So let's see this trade. Let's see. Let's switch my time frame a little bit. Alrighty. There we go. There we go. So I'm going to confirm now. Alrighty, so I'm going to confirm just because I'm doing this video for just to show it to you. Alright, so we are going to confirm. Alright, did you see that confirmation? And now I trail my stops pretty close to break even and I'm out. Okay, so all that got out. There you go. So that was my trade to the trade right here. So most important thing, see, you have to confirm. You have to confirm. You set it up your parameters. You have to confirm. And now what is the next thing I'm going to do? I'm going to make sure that there is no flat null. You see that message popped up right over here. So now let's say I want to go long because I see some retracement right here going long. If I want to go long, like we talked about it, you could do market, you could do choose your positions right here. You can choose your positions here. You could do like what I showed you before, right? You could do the buy, you could do the sell. And there's many very intuitive platform. And it shows you good data. So let's go see what the data shows on this account. Let's see if we get, there you go. All right, you see that I made $9 while making this video. So I'm really excited about now it's gonna go my way, and that happens a lot. Like, right, it takes my, this one was a good one, but it takes my stop loss and goes my way. But that's a different video for another day because how I trade is a different story. That being said, you also have a way to do bracket orders, right? You can do your automatic bracket order. So when you do place a trade, you can automatically have your stop loss. You can have it all right over here, set it up before you trade. People love this. I don't really trade off Dome, but whoever does it, kudos to you. So you can buy it from the Dome too. You could buy it right here too. Join the bid, ask the bid, buy this, buy that. You can put your price right here and all that stuff. Let's see. I think I want to take a long here. If it breaks through 730, there you go. And if it doesn't, then we don't get filled. And that's okay too. We got filled. So the way I trade this, I wanted to go to back to 800. That's my target. I will show how to add. So if it goes my way, see, I want to add right over here. And my stop loss would be right here. And I haven't confirmed it yet, right? All right, so let's see. We got filled the second time. We got filled the second time. All right, let's try my stops. Let's see if it's gonna go to my 800 or we are gonna get $29. $29 it is. This is it. So flatten all. I always double check. No active possession is flattened. So I'm good. Right, so I am good for today. That was a good trading day for me. And this is all funded already. So I'm very excited about my baby. So hopefully you guys like this video. Is there something I didn't cover? More than welcome to ask in the comments. And then we can go from there. Hope you had a wonderful trading day.